In this question, you are given fx is equal to x into x minus 1 by 2. You are asked to find f of x plus 2. So f of x plus 2 is nothing but, in the place of x here, you just need to put x plus 2. So in the place of x, you put x plus 2. So this becomes x plus 2 times x plus 2 minus 1 is x plus 1 by 2. So f of x plus 2 is x plus 2 into x plus 1 by 2. Now, you have to check which of these options gives you the same answer, right? So if you take the first option, f of x plus f of x plus 1. So fx is x into x minus 1 by 2 plus f of x plus 1 is, just need to put x plus 1 in the place of x. It is x plus 1 times x by 2. So if you add these two, you can take x as common. X times x minus 1 plus x plus 1. That is 2x by 2, which is equal to x square. So fx plus f of x plus 1 is x square, not this. So first option is wrong. If you go to the second option, x plus 2 by x times f of x plus 1. F of x plus 1 is nothing but you just need to put x plus 1 in the place of x. That is x plus 1 times x plus 1 minus 1 is x by 2. So if x and x gets cancelled, this is equal to x plus 1 times x plus 2 by 2. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 by 2, x plus 1 into x plus 2 by 2. So option B is the right answer.